Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to hide your last seen on Instagram with the latest updated steps. If you've ever wanted more privacy while scrolling through your feed or replying to messages at your own pace, turning off your activity status is the perfect way to stay a little more under the radar. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and head over to your profile. You can do that by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the menu icon at the top right corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. Tap on it, and a list of options will appear. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy. This is where Instagram keeps all your account preferences, privacy options, and security controls. Scroll down a little until you find the section called How Others Can Interact with You. Under this section, you'll see an option labeled Messages and Story Replies. Go ahead and tap on that. When you open this menu, you'll notice several different options related to how people can connect with you. What we're looking for here is Show Activity Status. Tap on this option, and you'll see a simple toggle switch. By default, this switch is usually enabled, which means people you connect with can see the last time you were active on Instagram. All you need to do is toggle it off. Once you've switched it off, your last seen and activity status will no longer be visible to others. Keep in mind, though, when you hide your activity status, you also won't be able to see the last seen activity of other users. It's a mutual privacy setting. That's all there is to it. With just a few quick steps, you've turned off your activity status and now have a little more control over your online presence. Whether you prefer answering messages on your own time or simply want a bit more privacy, this setting makes it easy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more simple tips like this to make your Instagram experience even better.